Who's a little fluffy chick? Who's a little fluffy chick? Yours, because you're a little cute chick. Aren't you a little cute chick? Oh, give me a kiss. Yes. I could you. Does Mummy love me? Yes.
That's why I'm here.